Ryan here with Alaska Gear Company, and we're currently at our Palmer, Alaska manufacturing facility. At this location, we make many of the Arctic oven models, including the Nunatak Apex, which you can see right behind me. So today, I'm going to review the updates we've made to the Nunatak Apex, which is the industry-leading weight-to-footprint ratio hot tent, and explain all of the new features. The first thing we did was we changed the fly material to a 1.9 ounce FR ripstop nylon. This material was the standard for all of the generations of the Nunatak tent up until the 2023 Nunatak Apex, which uses a 1.6 ounce FR sil nylon. The reason for this change was due to the inclusion of standard snow flaps on this tent. So now that this tent comes with snow flaps on every single tent, the ripstop nylon provides a more durable material for abrasion, so we felt it was important to change the material to prevent tears or holes in the fly when the snow flaps are deployed and you're putting snow on it or using rocks in extreme cases. This does add a little bit of weight back to the base tent model. The latest version now weighs 15.5 pounds when you're using the Vapex, and the previous model was at 14 pounds when you're using the Vapex. This includes the fly, Vapex insert, center pole, 12 new stakes, the pole, halo, seam sealer, tie-outs, and bags. The Vapex insert, like I said, weighs 5 pounds. So the next change you'll see with this tent is the no-see-um mesh, which is a micro mesh that keeps the tiniest of insects out. The new no-see-um mesh is slightly more robust at 1.65 ounces per yard versus 0.5 ounces per yard, so it just adds 3 ounces back to the tent. This change was made to decrease the chance of any rips or tears in your door when deploying the no-see-um mesh door. Another change you'll see is the location of our high wind tie-outs. This minor change was made in order to encourage the use of the high wind tie-out packages with this tension tent to ensure your shelter is as secure as possible. It's really important when you're using a tension tent. Finally, the tent will include new stakes, and these new stakes are great at holding and capturing the webbing. So the stake adds more secure capture of webbing when staking the tent out, preventing the stakeout points from slipping when the tent's under tension. What does remain the same is the same roomy mansard design, which boasts a 12.5 by 12.5 footprint, which is 156 square feet, so a ton of room. And then a 4.4 by 4.4 standing space, which equals 19 square feet. You don't have the same square footage space in tension teepee style tents, and that's why the Nunatak Apex is the best in class tension hot tent. So if you're interested in learning more about the Nunatak Apex, we encourage you to visit alaskagearcompany.com, check out the Nunatak Apex product page, and that's where you'll find more information about dimensions, specs, pricing, and anything you need to know about this best in class tension hot tent.